Liberty Locksmiths, we're here for you, keeping you safe and secure. It's what we do. Providing residential and commercial mobile locksmith services to the greater Orlando and Central Florida areas from our new location in Apopka. When you want reliable, courteous service from a credible and reputable locksmith, Liberty Locksmiths is your one-call solution. Call today, 407-260-ASAP. That's 407-260-2727. Liberty Locksmiths, we're here for you. We're keeping you safe and secure. It's what we do. Come by and visit our brand new showroom to browse our extensive variety of safes, locks, and security hardware for every residential and commercial security need. Located at 541 Park Avenue, Apopka, Florida, 32712.